Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a perm rod set on stretched hair. So I've sectioned my hair into a smaller section, and I'm applying the Curl Awaken primer from Gemini Naturals, which is the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to split that section into two in order to roll it. So on top of the primer, I am going to add the Vegan Temporary Hair Color in the color Bronze Beauty. So I'm adding a little bit of the Bronze Beauty to my strands. Make sure that it's evenly distributed, and then I'm going to comb it through. Try not to add too much product because I do want this to be a stretched style. So I'm going to slow it down so that you can see the technique that I use to roll my hair. I smooth the roller down to the end of my hair, secure the ends by rolling it up a few times, and then I twirl it around until I get all the way up to the roots. Then I secure the roller in place. So I'm just going to continue this process throughout my hair. So I'm going to slow it down one more time for you in case you didn't get it the first time. Take that small section and I apply the Bronze Beauty color gel on top. Smooth it all the way through. Take my rat tail comb to make sure that there are no tangles in my hair, because in order to get a good perm rod set, you want to make sure that your hair is tangle free. Then I'm going to take my roller and I'm going to smooth my hair all the way to the end. Make sure that the end is secure around the roller before I start to twirl it up. And there you have it. It makes a perfect coil. So my hair is all rolled up. I'm going to sit under the dryer for 45 minutes and then I'll be back for the takedown. So I'm back for the takedown, and I'm going to put this in slow motion so that you can see this bomb curl. Perfect. So here are my final results, and I am so impressed with the curls and the colors. I'm definitely loving this look. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and stay tuned for more videos.